Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you have fun watching. So please subscribe and like. I will be quiet from now on, so please enjoy. I'm focusing. I know. Ooh, what? I want you on the first one. Let me go to the number one, please. 1, 2, 3 BC. The Romans were trapped in the close valley by the Sabbath, had no choice but to accept surrender against themselves, but then trying to break the deadlock, strive for the best result. Have to continue. Okay.
Can I help? For glory.
I am not saying anything right away. I am not advertising with that channel.
Can I help you? Can I help you? Can I help you? All right. Absolute Can I help you? For glory. Wait. All right. Absolute. All right. Yeah. Yes. All right. Absolute. For glory. As you wish. All right. Absolute. All right. On my way. Attack. Yeah. Get them. How can I help? All right. Absolute. For glory. Absolute. For glory. On my way.
Come out here.
Can I help you?
Sure. Now let me leave it like that and block it for you. Okay.
All right. Charge. All right. Attack. For glory. As you wish. Attack. All right. As you wish. All right. As you wish. Wait. Get them. Witness my power. Wait. All right. As you wish. Can I help you? As you wish. For glory. As you wish.
Enforcement. Let's continue.
Can I help you? As you wish. Can I help you? How can I help? Feel the pain. For glory. Can I help you? All right. As you wish. Can I help you? On my way. For glory. Can I help you? Absolute. Can I help? Absolute. Absolute. Can I help you? On my way.
I will get that Iron Mine and also this. No, they're going to counterattack.
How can I help?
Die!
Taste my fury.
Succeed!
Glory. Charge. Can I help? Attack. For glory. On my way. Can I help you?
Bye guys, I hope you have a fun day or a fun time watching because I love it. Goodbye. See you very much.